I told you it was way too late.
Already doing some more maintenance on the X5 diesel. Had an engine malfunction code throw up and we scanned the car. Didn't see nothing and did a diagnosis on the car. When you saw that oil in the last video on like the brace bar in the engine bay, it was coming from this leak on like an intercooler piping from the throttle body. Had a bad rip on it. We taped it up temporarily to help the boost out, but finally we do have a new coupler in. We're about to throw it on right now. We did have to cut off this clamp on the bottom, factory clamp from BMW. Well, my cheap coupler will not fit at the bottom. It is too small. We cannot spread it out to connect, so we're gonna have to use the original and make our own coupler. It will probably be a lot better quality and we're gonna use better clamps than they gave. So if you're trying to buy a cheap coupler for your X5 diesel, do not get no cheap one online. Even though this one was still $40, original one's $170. We're gonna make our own for like probably $20. Even every time I'd go full throttle, just occasionally when boosting the car pop up engine malfunction from, I believe, the boost leak. So we're gonna drive the car now, see if the code comes back up. We got some other mods coming in this video for the X5 diesel. X5 diesel has already been purchased by our boy Taz. Finna go crazy, man. Already got the tow hitch, 105,000 miles. Got a crazy deal on this car. Everyone's gonna be rolling an X5Ds now besides David, man. What's going on, man? You're gonna have to get you one next, man.
X10 diesel.
X10 diesel. Man, it's finna start raining. We gotta hurry the f up, man. David talking shit.
Ooh, that be running.
5 is back. Wasn't gone long, but engine malfunction should be gone now. Homemade coupler for the win. Don't get taxed out on no freaking $170 BMW coupler. Either come to Swift Motorsports or make your own coupler yourself. Since it's about to rain, we're about to cut it up until we get some more parts in for the X5 diesel in this episode, modding it. The car still drove really good with the boost leak, just was a crazy rip all the way down the entire coupler. Something I did find out about my X5 diesel that is a blessing as well. As I said, it already is on a downpipe. I believe it is on a tune. But I also found out it has a mid-pipe, basically a single exit all the way back to the muffler. A man got blessed.
Blessed by what?
I think it sounds perfect with the mid-pipe and the mufflers. Y'all know our boy Boosted Mar, he has an X5 diesel, has his straight pipe, and it is crazy loud. Mine's loud when you rev it and a little bit at idle. Nice, brother, all over. Not on the tool, man. Hey! Yeah, man. Do anything with the muffler on here. If it was fully straight pipe with no muffler, it would be too loud. This is just perfect right here. Gonna need to get some wheels though. God, these wheels are not it. Yeah, man. Swift already got me on the LCI tail lights.
I ain't even seen my condo. It's been so
One mod we should have coming in tomorrow is some black grills for the car. Door handle replacement. We'll have some mirror caps coming for the car soon, and hopefully in this video I can put on the Apple CarPlay screen, but if I do not, I'll be dragging it out in the series. In the next video you will see the Apple CarPlay screen and even more mods coming for the X5 diesel. That's one thing I can't wait to see in here with this interior. And it sucks because this model does not have Bluetooth. I mean, I can hook up the aux and I can hook up like the little Bluetooth aux, but I do not have original Bluetooth in this car. But once we get that screen in, you will be seeing it thrown in the X5. But hope everyone's excited to see more content of this X5 on the channel. Like I said in the last video, I'm already falling in love with it daily, putting it to good use with the tools, always carrying around for mechanics, and just having so much room riding around. And it isn't bad on gas. and it can tow. The list just goes on. And as you saw at the end of the last video, the 328i sold about 2 weeks after buying my X5. Cleaned the 328i up and got it ready to sell, and it is gone. Next, we just have to get the motor swapped in this and sell this piece of shit. Definitely will have to get me some LCI tails. This is my boy Swift, Andrew's car. He got the day before I got my X5. Like I said, what really motivated me to get mine, seeing everyone around me getting them, seeing how good they were, we had to go ahead and hop on and get my X5 myself. This is Swift's right here. He just got his black grills in today, and just look how much it transforms the whole front of this car. It's way better than them original grills. Holy. Like I said yesterday, getting rid of the ugly stock grills. Dual slat, gloss black grills about to go on the X5 right now.
I see all them shots, them niggas throwing they in that rig though. Fuck my baby mama, she still mad about my dick, so
Whole new car, man.
looking for my dick, so like
Man,
almost stick it on.
getting this thing right, man. Damn, the grills make the whole front look
at the
so
car,
much better,
brand new,
don't
boy.
it? Especially everything's paint matched.
The best though, flamingo. Rappers think on this, we meet, they get a person free. No sir, hey when business get personal, pay the standard fee. Right now, bitches think on this, we fuck, they get.
Yeah, this probably tool his ass, boy. No wonder they give you this shit for free.
A person me. She like, I know you see me, call why you being weird to me. I put that shit on, can't be fucked with when it come to fashion. This one here hit different, one of 18 watts from Preston. BMW soda cream, I mix mine with codeine. That's my favorite drink. Take a sip with me. Big body, break this shit out, some point of pen and pinch. 100 pieces, shot off gumbo, touchdown in the trenches. Sometimes
Damn.
Back to stock, too. It looks stock.
From sticky door handle to OEM. Back original, from sticky, very sticky. Sticky like a...
Like, every time you buy a BMW, you always have to change out the door handles. That is something they use cheap material on.
in the trenches. Sometimes it be true when she texting my phone about bitches.
Putting some roof racks with the snowboard mounts on the X5, and we ran into some technical difficulties. The cheap brackets they gave completely snap when tightening the mounts for the snowboard, but we've got some holes drilled. Big zip ties are up here. We're about to tighten it all down, make sure it's secure, because we don't want no snowboards flying off and hitting a car, somebody. Hopefully this will work though. I think we got it finally figured out now.
The city number members in attendance. About this pendant, bro, gon' shoot something like he called Benny.
The mounts for the snowboards are on there. We got the side bars also hooked up.
That thing got the windows tinted. Pop out, paint the city number members in attendance.
Original orange reflectors in the front. We got some smoked ones to put on. We do have to take off the wheel and the fender liner to get to that. I'm not going to be doing that today on the car, but these will look a lot better, silver and black. 10 times better, holy. This will be coming soon. We have a X5 M wheel for my X5. We just don't have the airbag yet, so that will be coming soon. A suede wheel wrap on it with a stitching color. We'll be showing all that coming soon. For the E90, woo, you'll see it in the next video.
About this pendant, bro, gon' shoot something like he called Benny. Big flick, walk him down. Now you trending, I see all them shots, them niggas throwing they in that rig though. Fuck my baby mama, she still mad about my ex-ho. Soon as I pop this ex-ho, won't be looking for my next hoe. Like any minute, money more. Now she got the best of.
Getting ready to do a trans service on this X5 diesel. About to drop the trans pan now after we drain the fluid out of it. Got some hot shot transmission fluid. We're about to get this diesel right, man.
Rappers think on this, we meet, they get a person free. No sir, hey when business get personal, pay the standard fee. Right now, bitches think on this, we fuck, they get a purse from me.
The transmission pan is off.
She like, I know you see me, call why you been.
Fluid changed in the diff. Now we're about to throw on some new wheels I want to show.
The max identical, come get you some, it's plentiful. When I say quickie, let's hurry up, that mean I'm in a rush. Real street niggas spit on that. So we finna fuck up, that pussy like plain Jane. You know that I'm finna bust it down, baby. Shine. White and rose AP, look like cream cheese. Your advice on what I spend is what I didn't need. Dinner with a bad bitch, reservations in town.
Battery is about to die on the camera, 2%. We changed out the fluid in the back diff. It actually looked really good in the diff. As I was saying, we did go buy some wheels today for the X5 already, not taking any time, not sparing any time to go ahead and get this car built. And I know it's gonna need some tires, and if the camera dies, we're gonna roll tomorrow showing the wheels on the car. I know they will need some tires, but we went ahead and just threw them on until I get some tires this coming week. But it is Friday right now. We're gonna try to go to Cars and Coffee with this car and my $1,000 335 Sunday. We did get some Alpina wheels off of Facebook again. You can't beat the crazy Facebook finds.
4 weeks ago, let's speak on some shit that I'm doing now. I go except for the
We're gonna get some more shots tomorrow when it's some better lighting, but comment how you think the wheels look. I wanted to ask everyone because I'm debating so hard. Should I paint the wheels silver and make them look how they looked originally, or keep them gloss black? It is about probably an hour after I was recording last on the Osmo and the camera died. But I was saying, I'm gonna cut to tomorrow with the wheels on the car and show a better lighting with the cars front and back. I thought maybe it was some rust around the hub and the front was wobbling really bad in the steering wheel. So I came back, took the front left wheel off, rubbed a bunch of the rust off, put it back on there, made sure it was tight. Maybe I thought it was loose first, but it wasn't loose. I retightened it, still felt the same thing. Came back up here, cleaned around the hub, tightened it, felt the same thing. Swapped back to the OEM wheels on the front. It came off on the front, but felt it a tiny bit in the back. So about to put on the stock wheels now on the back to get rid of that wobble so I can go home and come back. I'll be filming a video modding out the 335 finally tomorrow, making some content on that. In the next video you see on the channel, go into Cars and Coffee, and we'll be bringing this to Cars and Coffee. We want to pop out with the new wheels. We're gonna have to figure out why it's not fitting on the hub either correctly. It might have to wrap the video up right here. I appreciate everyone that did watch this video. Tweaking right now because the wheels, I was ready to get out of here, been in a rush. This really just pissed me off and blowed me. But this is the best you can see them of the wheels on the car right now. Like I said, they are real Alpina BMW wheels. Got first steal off of Facebook. I don't know why they're having issues. Might not be a steal no more. We're gonna figure these wheels out in the next video. And we have the Apple CarPlay, the X5M wheel I probably teased earlier in this video. A lot of more parts coming for the X5, so make sure you stay tuned into the channel. Comment how you think the wheels look. Should we leave them in black? Should we paint them silver? And we'll see y'all in the next video modding the X5D.
Yo, look, you gotta catch this brother.